Hi there, and welcome to a new review video by Yes and Explore. Today we're reviewing the Acoustic Hotel and Spa in Hanoi, Vietnam. And we actually booked this hotel twice, the first time when we arrived and the second time when we came back from our trip to the Halong Bay. If you want to see what our amazing trip to the Halong Bay was like, you can click on the link in the description box. The location of this hotel is really good. It's within reasonable walking distance from many of Hanoi's highlights, such as Hoan Kiem Lake, the Old Quarter, and the French Quarter. The hotel staff is very attentive to their guests, and upon check-in we were welcomed with some snacks and a welcome drink. As for the room, we booked a senior deluxe room and we paid 43 euros per night, and this included breakfast for one person. Our room was on the 6th floor, and as always, we are greeted by the wonderful Lawrence. And to the left, we go straight into the bathroom, and the toilet roll was put in a really weird and awkward position, which it was a minor inconvenience, but we feel it's worth mentioning. The bathroom and especially the shower were pretty spacious, and there's a rainfall shower with also some good water pressure. And for those in suspense about whether there's a glass wall in the bathroom again, the answer is yes. We cannot escape these things. But as you can see, the bathroom really is large enough, it's functional, so we don't have any complaints about it. Then we go onto the room, and wow, they said we had 2 twin beds, and we were like, sure, that's fine. But these things, dear viewers, are no twin beds. These are 2 big double beds, and yes, so we felt like we were living the life at that moment. We were also welcomed with a small fruit platter, and of course there was a TV in the room. And we forgot to check out the closet, so let's do that right now. And there was enough closet space if you are like us and you share this room with just 2 people. But if more people are in the room, I'm not sure if you can easily store all your stuff. As you can see, there is also a safe as well as a mini bar. And we already checked out the beds, so let's walk straight ahead through the room. And there you'll see a kettle, some complimentary water, and there's also a desk with mirror. And lastly, we had a little French balcony with some nice views of Hanoi. And of course, we have Lauren sitting there, wondering if this video will give us more likes and subscribers. So yeah, we really loved this room, especially because the beds were so big and we had so much space to sleep. Then in the basement of the hotel, you'll find a spa and a gym. And we didn't try the spa, but we have used the gym, and while it's small, it does have some good basic equipment. So you can do a workout, but only if there's not too many people at the same time. Then we go on to the breakfast, and as we mentioned, we only had breakfast for one included. So we paid for breakfast about 7 euros for one person, but we only did this the first morning because we're Dutch and we like to save money. So Lawrence would go in the morning and come back with a coffee and a small sandwich, and that worked for us. So follow us for more money-saving trips while traveling around. Anyway, so as you can see, this is the buffet, and the breakfast buffet had all the options you hope for. There were hot and cold dishes, toasted bread, and also fruit. Oh, and these things were just pure magic where you had to wave your hand and it would open. So that was a really cool feature. They also have a menu to complement the buffet with options such as burgers, pancakes, and numerous egg options. And breakfast was tasty, and because it wasn't too busy, we didn't have to wait a very long time for the items that we ordered. So that was definitely a plus. And no worries, images are from different mornings, so there's no need to worry about our food intake. And of course, we are in Vietnam, so they also serve a delicious breakfast soup in the morning. In the same restaurant, the hotel also offers afternoon tea each day from 3 until 5 for free. And they provide coffee, tea, and pastries. And it was really nice to go up to the roof and sit there and enjoy the view of Hanoi. And the roof also has a jacuzzi for which you can reserve a time slot at the reception if you want to use it. But for us, it was a little bit too cold to go up all the way to the roof and sit in the jacuzzi, but it's pretty cool that they have a feature like this. And the roof itself is also fairly big, so you can really see the whole of Hanoi from this rooftop. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay here, and that's why we came back here after our trip to the Halong Bay. And also because they stored our luggage for us, and it was just the most convenient option anyway. We enjoyed the location and attentiveness of the staff, and we would recommend staying here if you're visiting Hanoi. We want to thank you so much for watching, and don't forget that if you want to see more, subscribe to us at Yes and Explore. Bye!